Hi, Laura here. Welcome back to our channel. Let's make it happen. And today I'm going to show you how to make a pair of earrings. They're going to be really cool. And I'm going to give you a sneak peek into up and coming videos. So today, got these from good old Walmart. Everybody loves Walmart. And they're very well priced there. So, I'm going to take these apart because I'm going to use these for the base of the earrings. I'm just going to take this jump ring off here. If I can get it apart. There we go. Alright, we'll do one at a time. So, this is the base that I'm going to use. Kind of thought it looked like a crescent moon. And let's see, we're going to use that. We're going to use stainless steel Leverback earring holders. These are little head pins. And we're going to use jump rings. We're going to use a couple pairs of pliers and wire wrapper looping pliers. Yes, won't that be fun? And these are freshwater pearls that I'm going to add onto there. Oh, and I was going to say the Leverback come in all kinds of different metals. So if you're sensitive to certain kinds of metals or jewelry, then they got all kinds. And the head pins also come in copper, the black, and silver. So they come in, I think they come in gold too. So, but let's get started. So first, let's see. I will actually get a jump ring here. And as I said in one of the past videos for the butterfly earrings, you want to make sure that your earrings are facing the same direction so that they're hanging down properly on your ears. So let's see, we will take jump ring, and it's always the easiest to just get a couple pairs of pliers, open it one forward and one back. If you try to pull them apart going out, you're gonna break the metal. You need to always try to bend metal the way that it's shaped. So you're gonna take your jump ring, put it in there. Then you're going to see how your earring would be facing, which is facing the same way, so you have to put another jump ring on there. Which right now, we put the second one on there. Just like that. Then we will close the jump ring back up. Might seem a little frustrating at the beginning, and just kind of like wiggle it back and forth real carefully, and then sometimes you gotta go past it just a little bit, and there you go, you can feel it. It's all nice and smooth. That's what you want. So now you got your earring. It's gonna be like that. And you hook it on there. So, okay, we got it the right way. We're doing good. And don't worry if you make a mistake, you can always undo it. You can always change it. Alright, so one forward, one back. Hook your lever back on there, and then go in the opposite direction. Go back a little bit and feel it. Oh, nice and smooth. Now, we could leave it right there, and some of them I have. Some of them, even though it has this, I have taken wire cutters and actually just clipped that off and use that, which that would look good too. But today I'm going to show you how to hook an extra bead on there. So you take your head pin. We're just gonna take a little one. They come in all different sizes. So for something just for one bead, you wouldn't use something like, you know, that, because you're gonna cut most of it off and it would just be wasting it. So just get a pack of the smallest ones, and yeah, then you don't have much to waste. So you find out which direction you want your bead to go. Sometimes there's especially on the freshwater pearls, sometimes there's a flatter side, which goes good with the little head pin, so it lays flat. Now, you got your wire through there. You're gonna take and make a 90-degree bend and do this very carefully that you don't scratch up your pearl. Make a 90-degree bend in it. Then you're going to take your wire wrapper looper pliers. That's a funny name. See these, some of these have identical ends on there, and some of them have like one side is smaller than the other, so you can wrap them at two different sizes. So what we're doing is we're making a jump ring onto this so we can hook it onto here. Now, as I'm curling this towards me, and then I let it go, and while it is partially open, and this doesn't matter because there's no front or back on this. Some of them, if there's a specific front or back, then you gotta pay attention to which way you put it, because I have put it where it's backwards on there. So you take and you finish rolling it around until your wire closes to the other wire. You carefully get it out, and there you go. You got a little pearl. See, like I said, if you didn't want it like that long, or you didn't think you were confident enough to make your own little jump ring, you can just cut that little piece off there. So then I go on to the next one real quick. Let's see. Take this part. This is just the jump ring that's connecting them. So I usually save those for future projects. And also pay attention when there's a specific design in there. Make sure that you also have that facing, because you could get in a hurry. Oh, I'm almost done. A new pair of earrings, and make it so it's upside down. I guess each to their own. Just make whatever you like. So again, we're taking the jump ring. We're gonna one forward, one back. Put it through there. Put the second jump ring on there while it's still open. And I have closed this up, and then, oh man, I gotta put the next jump ring on there. So just be patient with yourself. Have a little laugh, and just, as long as you make it happen, it's all good. So now we're taking our jump ring, and where's the beginning? It's always easiest if you put the opening at the top sometimes. Sometimes they are very hard to find. Okay, so one forward, one back. Put our lever back on there and close it back up. Nice and smooth. There we go. Put that down and we will do our next. Let's see. Sometimes these are hard to find the hole too. There we go. Sometimes you don't need to pinch this with pliers. Sometimes you can actually take your thumbnail, grip onto this also if you didn't have pliers or you didn't want to, or you were afraid you were going to scratch it up. You can also bend it just like that. So yeah, there's different ways to do stuff. So this again, now that you got it bent like that, you bend it part way, and again I've closed that up, and oh yeah, that's got to go on there. So well, it's still open, put that, and I will take the pliers. See, you can do the pliers or the other one, whichever one. And there you go. You got yourself a beautiful pair of earrings. And there you go. And let's see, a sneak peek of our up and coming, actually, first let me show you one of the past videos. One of my past videos, this was the necklace that I made. It comes to right about there. Ooh, beautiful. Anyways, those are abalone shells. These are lava rocks. And actually, anytime you use lava rocks in your jewelry making, you can use the essential oils. Put one little drop on there, and say you're very anxious, you can put a drop of lavender oil, and you'll smell the oil all day and be more calm and relaxed. And let's see, in one of our up and coming videos, coming to a video place near you, haha. We're not making this dream catcher because this is very advanced, and I don't know if I would ever make another one again. It's very, very difficult. But we're going to make a dream catcher, and yes, that will be, if you like dream catchers, go out and Hobby Lobby, Joann's, Michael's has these wire rings, and they come in all different. This is the 5-inch. This is what we're going to be making in an up and coming video. There's also 3-inch ones. I made a little one like this and hung it from the rear view mirror of our vehicle. And this is a 6-inch, and they make little small keychain ones, and they make bigger ones, so you can make whatever size you want. And let's see, this is wax string. If you want to make a dream catcher, you don't have to use this. This came from actually Walmart. But this is the typical wax string that you use, or you can use actually any kind of string you want. This was actually, I think this was actually dental floss that I used just to try it out, and it worked very well. But it really hurt my fingers pulling on it. So this is wax string. You want that, and then any kind of beads or these are seashells, whatever you want on there. And another up and coming video, I'm going to use the rest of these metal pieces that we used today for the earrings, and I'm going to teach you how to make a necklace that goes with that. So you have, you know, you're all matchy. You look like a beautiful diva woman. So I think that's it. Oh, here's one more. In an up and coming video, I'm going to be showing how to do these little watercolor tropical scenes, a seashell, a tortoise, and a tropical beach with palm tree. And that should be a lot of fun. And that's about it. Thank you. Please hit that like and subscribe button and hit the notification so you know when the up and coming videos are.